guys, this little thing here is what we call a tile insert floor waste. Now a floor waste is what you see on the floor. It's usually chrome and it's a drain. It's basically where water goes down from the tiles into the pipes below. The drain catches the water, but with this particular one, this unit here, it's a little bit different because this square piece comes out. You see that? And this is the bit that attaches to the pipe going down underground under the tile. What do we do with this bit here? Well, it sits in like this, and we cut a piece of the tile that you're using on your bathroom floor, which sits in that square right there, and the water goes down in the crack, just here, into the pipe below. So it gives a very neat appearance because all you see on the floor is a lovely piece of square tile here and just this recess around the edge. It's much nicer than just using your normal square old rusty chrome floor waste. This is definitely a premium product. I would suggest using them in every bathroom where you can actually see the waste. Not so much a priority if you cannot see the floor waste, but if you can see the floor waste clearly, I would be using this tile insert floor waste. Another tip.